Hi, Mike from Sportsguns here. Today we're going to look at this exciting new air rifle from novavista, brought into the UK by Sports Marketing. It's a pre-charged rifle with a difference. So let's open it up. It's the Pneupump, it's called. Now this one comes with its own built-in 3-stage pump. So we take it out of the box. Also, one magazine, a fill probe, and a scope. We'll look at that later. So, let's have a look. So, the novavista, synthetic stock throughout, surprisingly light, 3.6 kilograms overall. We'll have a look at the features on the body first. Ambidextrous, full length shrouded barrel, which does reduce the noise quite a bit. Rubber butt pad for shock absorbing. Shoulder straps built in here, and a nice little touch here on the side. These come pre-fitted. They say on the box, combining superior performance with a revolutionary built-in pump. I don't know of any other built-in pump guns on the market. No more running out of air mid-shooting or in the field. No more limping around a heavy pump or bottle. Power output, it's full power. This one was shooting at 11.2 to 11.5 and surprisingly easy to pump. We found it took 50 pumps from empty to full, 250 bar pressure. Like I said, tactical stock has a power reducer to turn from high to low power. Here, just a simple turn of a button will reduce down to, I think, 6.5 foot-pounds. Barrel, like I said, features a full-length shroud, rifle barrel inside, adjustable trigger, which can be adjusted to your own standards. 9 to 11mm scope mounts on the top. The filling. So, as we said, here we have a simple click in, click out to lock the lever. When not required, I've just locked it. Simply full stretch and in. I'm at pretty much max now, which is why it's slightly harder, but in all honesty, far easier than, it's probably exactly the same as a pump, I'd imagine, but not as hard as I would have imagined it was going to be. Cocking action, side lever, smooth and crisp. Comes with either a 10-shot magazine and also a single-shot tray, which is in there now. Which is a nice little added touch as well. Like I said, the filling, 50 pumps. Also, you can fill this by a conventional lead bottle pump. Simply remove the dust cap here. It comes with a fill probe. Again, simply put in. And max pressure on that is 250 bar, like I said. Overall length is 1100 millimeters. Again, when we said about the power adjustment, there's 2 velocity settings, the high and low on there. There's a pressure gauge on the side. I always like the pressure gauges on the side rather than on the end, where you constantly having to look down the barrel first to see how much pressure you've got in. Safety catch, there's a smooth lever action fitting there. It comes with a hamstring velocity adjustment in the back here. It comes with an adapter. After 3,000 shots, they recommend that you turn a full clockwise fitting. A full clockwise turn equals to 100 FPS. Again, a few little extras on the gun. It feels nice. It's light. It's not. When I first looked at it, I thought, oh, it's going to be heavy. It's not. The lever action again is polycarbonate, but tough, durable. All in all, for the money that these are selling at, you can't go wrong with it, I think. It comes with a 4x32 scope and mounts. They're a standard novavista scope and mount. I mean, I don't expect much from the 4x32 scope and mounts. I would have expected something a bit more, but it's a free scope. You're getting a free 4x32 scope with a Precharged gun that's already at a fantastic price for this. You can view full details on our website. It's on there now, www.sportsguns.co.uk. All in all, very impressive piece of equipment from up and coming airgun manufacturers Nova Vista.